Good morning everybody and welcome to today's video. So today I thought I'd show you, because somebody asked me, how I apply my double wear. And this is exactly how I applied my double wear yesterday, and this is my favourite way of applying double wear. It looks fresh, it looks light, natural, doesn't look heavy, and it just looks fabulous and I just love it. So if you'd like to see how I like to apply my double wear, then carry on watching. Okay, here we go. So I've got my double wear. This is the shade 2W1 Dawn. It's got a yellow undertone, so it's quite warm. So if you've got like a olivey based skin, it's really, really good. I like a yellow tone because I've got redness in my skin. So I like something that cancels that out. Now, I love to apply my double wear with a beauty blender or a makeup sponge. Make sure you have saturated it fully under the tap so it expands and you've squeezed out all the water, because if it's not damp, it's not going to work. It's going to soak in the foundation, okay? You want the foundation to sit on the top of the sponge so it bounces the foundation onto the skin. Okay, give it a shake. Don't you love a new bottle? I had a pump on my previous one, but the pump gets so grubby, I wouldn't recommend the pump. Just, measure out. And what I typically do is, I will measure out what I call a blob on the back of my hand. So, I'm gonna say, is this a blob? About that much. And I like to tap this on my skin first because I get an even amount, whereas I find if I tap the sponge into the foundation itself, it's not really an even amount. So I just, wherever I find space on my face, I will blob. This way, the amount of foundation you need is on your face and you don't have to keep dipping in. So anywhere you find a spot, blob it on. Now, when I've got about that much left, I just wipe the rest on my neck, like that. Okay. Grab your beauty blender, bottom side. You can use whatever side you want. And you're just gonna bounce this in. And you're gonna see how gorgeous and natural this looks. Gentle tapping. You're just bouncing that onto the skin. And look how beautiful that looks on the skin. It just, I don't know, nothing compares to this. It just looked phenomenal on skin. And I wore this yesterday and it wore beautifully. It didn't crease, it didn't crack. I've always got like baby hair sticking somewhere. Come on. And just bounce in. Look how quick that is. Does it look cakey? No, it doesn't. Now this is a great everyday coverage, in my opinion. Make sure you get all the corners. The colour's absolutely perfect. Make sure you get your nose around the nose. And you can use this side to get into that bit here, the pointy bit. I just love this foundation. I mean, look. Look how dewy skin looks. Now, if you wanted a thick covering, you could go on with a brush and stipple that in. If I'm, particularly spotty or something, then I'll do that. And I just like to just go over again and just make sure it is blended in really well. You need a corner to go around your nose. And that's just one, I would call that probably 2 pumps. And then blend down whatever's left, blend down your neck. Now the concealer, I've got the shade 2 Neutral Light Medium. The concealer is beautiful. It's so creamy. It's smooth, it's not drying. I mean, I love Tarte Shape Tape, but it can be a bit heavy duty, so you might not want that. And then again, I just blend in with my sponge. I'm actually going to put this over the eye today because, just so you can see. And it doesn't look too, this is like 2 shades up from my foundation. So it gives a nice blended effect, so you don't get that kind of white panda eyes. And there you go. That's how I apply my double wear. I'm going to put the rest of my makeup back on. I'm going to set, obviously, with powder. I like to set with my Laura Mercier powder, so I'll set that for you. I think this does a great job, and I can use it to set my under eyes as well, and typically I will just set the whole lot in one go, like this. Over my eyes. Here we go, and now I'll go in with my bronzer blush, you know, the usual. So there you have it. That's how I apply my Estee Lauder DoubleWear. Let me know how you like to apply yours. I hope you've liked this video. I hope it's been helpful, and let me know what you'd like to see next from me. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.